So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description. Now once you're on this, we're going to scroll down. You're going to go over the first download that comes up. You're going to click on download. It's now going to start downloading in 5 seconds. Wait for this to load. The download should have now started. If not, then you're going to click right here, which will then start the download for you. Now once you have the download, you want to right click on it and then click on show in folder. And now that we have this in our downloads folder, you want to right click on it and then click on extract all. You now want to untick this and then click on extract, which should now make a new folder right here. You want to double click on this folder. And then once you have the DLL file right here, you want to right click on it and then click on copy. And now that we've copied that, for the next step, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on that and then click on Windows. And now we're going to look for a folder called System32. So we're going to scroll down till we find System32. Here it is. Double click on that. Now this folder contains a bunch of DLL files. We're going to paste the DLL file that we just copied earlier into this folder. So you're just going to right click on the blank space and then click on paste. And then continue, which will now paste it into this folder. Now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.